So, welcome to Holistic Health Divas. Today, we have a very special guest, Natalie Carrion. And Natalie Carrion is a wellness professional, and she's the director of Zinzino. And Natalie inspires a lot of people through her work, and she has a very interesting story to share with us, like all our guests. So, Natalie, welcome to Holistic Health Divas. It's such a pleasure to have you on the show.
Thank you. I think it's fantastic to be joining, and it's also so great that we can do it this way since I'm in Sweden and you're in India, but it's working so good. So I'm happy to be part of this.
So during the pandemic, like we all connecting through Zoom, and it's such a happy thing that like distance never matters and countries don't matter. You can be anywhere and get connected at the same time. So Natalie, could you please introduce yourself to our audience?
Definitely I can. So like I said, I'm from Sweden, but I'm happy to actually be working globally. And when I describe myself, I used to say I do 100% music, I do 100% health, and 100% life. So I'm actually a music artist. So when I was 15 years old, I decided that I want to be a world artist and I want to be a person with influence globally, someone that is part of making a good change. So I didn't have a stage to stand on. So I took my guitar and I went out on the streets. And I can tell you, Katie, that I was shaking so much. I couldn't even stand up. So we all have those moments of being really outside of our comfort zones, and I used to say that was not my best performance, definitely not, but it was my most important one because I continued to go there. And actually, from it being out of my comfort zone, singing on the street actually became my comfort zone because I challenged myself. And from there, I actually built up a music career where I get to travel around doing concerts, sharing my music as well online as offline. And now when I was around 17, 18 years old, I had a challenge. And we all have those, we say, seminal moments in our lives that makes the whole difference. And often those moments are challenging ones where you need to ask yourself, what do I actually want to do? So I had very many challenges mentally. I was very feeling very down,
And
and
so
I was
early in life. And so
yeah,
early in life.
yes, very early in life. But it was, many thoughts going on, and I asked myself, do I want to live or not? Actually, it was very dark, and I decided to take help, and I decided to live life. And I started to see light again, from total darkness to see that there are possibilities. And that made me realize we don't see everything for it to be possible, but we need to believe in the things to be possible to get there. So from that moment, I decided to live life for me, first of all, to do the things that I'm passionate to do. And I believe that through doing your passion will lead you to success. So that's a consequence of being passionate. So then I also started to work with nutrition. So I'm a nutritionist working for the Swedish company Cincino, now building up the business with test-based nutrition globally, as well as the music career.
Fantastic. And since you already shared your story, would you like to share us your vision for Zinzino? What's
Yeah.
your vision? What's the company's vision?
So the whole vision with the company. So Cincino is a Swedish company. So it started with a couple that I admire very much, Hilde and Örjan from Norway. They have 3 kids, very humble people that wants to be part of inspiring change in life. So that's the whole mission with the company. I used to compare them, with Apple or Amazon or any of those companies because they are so bright-minded, but they also have so kind hearts. And I think that's the best combination in building a company with great culture. So we want to be the biggest company on the nutritional field, and not only the biggest company, but the most customer-friendly company that gives people what they need. And that's the whole thing. And my vision for this is to continue to build this globally. I want them to both grow on a personal level, to work in a team, to share this concept so that we can change the health and way of thinking about health, but also in all of the other countries that we have launched in.
Perfect. And so, what kind of products does Zinzino deal with? And could you also talk to us about omega 3 and omega 6 and the health hazards if there is a balance between omega 3 and omega 6?
Yeah, definitely. And I can say when I heard about this 6 years ago, I had no idea. So
Yes.
I know that that's how it is for a lot of people. Some people have heard about omega-3. They know that it's good. Some
Correct.
people have
Yes.
heard that you get smart out of eating fish, those things. But then when we say fatty
It's
acids,
good for the brain, and you get those
yes,
omega 3 capsules, and yeah, we all know
yes,
that much.
yeah.
Yes.
But when we say fatty acids, it sounds quite complicated. But I'm going to share and make it quite easy to understand, and also to share the importance of this, because this is so, so important that everyone should know about this. So if we look at the fatty acids, I will talk about omega-6 and omega-3. Both of these are essential, so we need them, and we get them through the food that we're eating. Now, if we look globally, as well as in India, especially in the big cities, our way of eating has changed. So our diet is, we don't get as much nutrition as we need if we look at fibers, vitamins and minerals, good fats, and so on. We get a lot of this omega-6. We get that one from vegetable oil. So you find that in the most you're eating today, in fried food, in half fabricated, in fast food, and, palm oil, sunseed oil, corn oil, we get that. Too much of it. Most
A
people
lot. Yes.
yes. And if we look at the omega-3, so what a lot of people don't know is that omega-3, it's like a family. So you have different kinds of omega-3. I know in India, a lot of people is eating flaxseed oil. So then you get one type of omega-3. But the one that our brain mainly needs, the one that our cells mainly needs, the one that our heart mainly needs, it's not the one, we don't get it in the right amount from flaxseed oil or avocado or walnuts. Maybe some people that are very unique in transferring, they could do it, but most people don't. So we need that marine omega-3. So
Yes.
either from algae, so the food that the fishes are eating, or from fish or from seafood. So we need that kind of omega-3. And if we look at what ratio we should have, it's not more than 3 times more omega-6 than omega-3.
So it's
If we
1
look
is to
at,
3. Omega 3 versus omega 6 is 1 is to
yes,
3. That's a good
exactly.
ratio. Yes.
Yeah, so not more than 3 times more of the omega-6. So it's natural that we get more of that vegetable oils, but we shouldn't have, too much of that. And if we look at Europe, the average today, 15 times more omega-6. And we have seen the numbers of kids that is more than 100 to 1. And this is so, so important to know about. So what we do is that we're taking a blood test that you easily can do it yourself at
So
home.
when you mention that it's high in children, is it because of the processed food that's consumed by kids?
Yes, it's all connected to the food. But I think it's easy, to not think about the kids because they are so energized and you don't think
Yes. They burn
it's
all the calories so easily.
yes. It's very, very important for them to be healthy long term. And for them to have a normal functioning brain. Because if you have an imbalance, if you lack the omega-3, you don't get normal brain function. So it can affect your concentration and your energy level. It will affect the normal heart function. But I think one of the most important things here is that we don't have just one cell in our body. You agree with me?
Yeah, I
We
do.
Yes. We're built out of cells. And if we lack the omega-3, our cell function is reduced. So our cell membranes becomes too hard. So the nutrients gets in slowly and the waste product comes out slowly. So having a good balance, having the right amount of omega-3, it's required. It's needed for us to be healthy long term. It's so, so important.
Okay. So now I've heard about balance oil from you. So
Yeah.
could you also explain to us how balance oil helps to bring about balance between omega-3 and omega-6? And if someone consumes balance oil on a regular basis, how long does it take to bring about balance?
Yeah. So what we first do is that we take a test to see where you're at, and you should do that yourself and on your family because this is important to know. And it's sent to an independent laboratory, so they have no information. You just, you get to see your result as it is, mental wellness, cell membrane fluidity, and so on. So, and your balance, of course. Then I recommend people to eat this one. And this is what's unique and what I know will grow globally. This is our balance oil. So there is a lot of, like you said, capsules. There is a lot of omega-3 supplements out there. Most people need it, so it's good to add it. But the hard thing is that omega-3 gets bad very quickly. So you can eat something that has gotten bad before you've eaten it, or it doesn't reach your cells where it actually makes the biggest change. So to know what you're eating is actually working, you should eat something that is test-based. And that's what we're doing. So we have the omega-3. We also have an olive oil that contains a lot of polyphenols, and they helps the omega-3 to be stable all the way to our cells. What I've also seen is that people have a lot of saturated fat. I think it's because of the palm oil, and they have too little of omega-9 that is actually very good fat. So a lot of people also need the olive oil that's inside of this one. So it's two good things. But what we do is that after 120 days, we follow up with a second test. And we can see that 95% that is eating this product gets into a good balance of near 3 to 1 in 120 days. So we can follow up each individual, and you can, in an easy way, actually make a change for yourself and for your health.
That's brilliant. Yes. So this is just oil or these like capsules that
No,
you
oil. This is oil, and I would say it tastes like olive oil with
right.
orange taste. You shouldn't cook it, so eat it as it is. But it doesn't taste bad fish, and you shouldn't eat an omega-3 that tastes bad fish either.
Great. And so could you also explain to us like about test-based nutrition? So these are for new audience, like who are not sure about like, how to differentiate between getting advice on nutrition and getting an advice based on tests.
So I think test-based nutrition is important in many ways because one thing is that there is a lot of supplements out there and you ask yourself, do I actually need this? So that's number one, why it's very important to take a test to check if you have red or green lights. And we can see that this is an upcoming global mega trend. People want to see where they are at because the welfare diseases are increasing. They are going down to lower ages. And we need to look at the root cause. And by taking tests, we can identify some of the things that probably is part of your well-being. And also for you to know that what you're eating is working. Because when there are so many supplements out there, it's hard to guess if what you're eating is working. So we don't want to work guest based. We want to work test based. So each individual can actually track their progress. So that was what made me want to work with this as well, because I knew that it's not just telling you to eat something and I don't know if it's working. I can actually follow your progress to see where you're at, but also the improvements. And people should think about this like the food that they miss in their fridge. That's how important it is.
Okay. And also, like, if I understand you correctly, so how we check glucose at home, glucose levels at home, and blood pressure at home? Is that the same way we're going to be testing omega 3, omega 6 balance at home through the kits?
Yes, so you
Okay.
receive, you start, you receive a test kit. So you just
Right.
prick your finger. It's easy to do at home. You just send it away, uh, and they will do the analyze for you, and you can check your results online. So it's very easy to do at home yourself.
Okay. And could you also please talk to us about people who had imbalance before? So, could you give us a few examples of what conditions they had, and after taking the products, like what did you see? What kind of improvements did you see? Does it include children too? Like, if you could elaborate on that.
So this is important from being a fetus in the womb during our whole life, because it's actually an important part of the brain development, and also the
Yes.
sight, and of course the muscles and everything, and also for the mother that is carrying the child, since she's giving everything to the little baby that is growing. So the mother also needs it for the brain function. But some of the things we have seen is definitely skin.
Right.
Our skin is our biggest organ, so those who had skin problems have been affected. Now, by saying this, I can't promise people, to see a change, but we have seen a lot of improvements on the skin. Also, if we look at blood pressure, and we know that it helps to keep a normal blood pressure. So I've seen a lot of improvements on blood pressure, also for the brain function, so concentration. And you can see that there's a lot of kids out there today that has concentration challenges, so they should definitely eat this oil because it helps to give a normal brain function. People who had problems with their joints, there's so many areas that we seen has been affected by this. And I would say, no matter if you have health issues or not, this is very important, because this is crucial for your body, and to give it the right opportunities to function well. And you want a body to function well, especially when your body is having challenges with something. Then you want to have as many things in place, of course, as you can. And you can do a lot of that through the nutrition.
Yes. And I believe these days, like, everyone's looking for healthy options. Everyone's looking for products which enhances your health, even if you don't have any health challenges or conditions. And so, like Natalie says, like, to keep a balance between omega 3 and omega 6 is very crucial to lead a healthy life. So this is an amazing product from Zinzino, which everyone should try it. And Natalie, how do we get these products from Zinzino? And you said, like, you're available in Europe, so which means that you're available in all countries in that part of the world. And plus, you did mention India. And what about other places? If someone's watching from another country, so how do they get your products?
So I think we have, I think it's available in around 90 countries. So there's a
Wow.
lot of countries where
Yes.
we're covering. We have launched officially in 38 countries. So I would say most countries, it's not a problem to access the product. So if there is questions, I'm happy to answer those. And if someone wants to get started, I'm happy to share this. I can also send a link that you could share, Preeti, that people can go through to be able to get tested and start with the oil.
Right.
And they can ask you, since you and I are connected as well.
Yes,
So,
they can send me your questions and I
yes,
could send them to Natalie. And
yeah.
if you are watching the video and you something is popping up in your mind, do type it in the comments and we'll get back to you on that. And if someone wants to get in touch with you directly, Natalie, so could you give us any kind of information for the audience? Like they can write to you, any social media handles?
I can share, you can follow me through social media. So it's Natalie Carrion. You can find me on LinkedIn or Instagram or Facebook. So I'm happy to connect in any of the ways that suits you. But I also have an email address. So maybe I can send, or you have it, Preeti. So maybe you can just share it in the
I
comments.
will do.
So I'm happy
Yes.
to talk with you. Yeah.
I will do that. So I will post the contact information of Natalie so that like if you are interested in the balance oil and the testing kit, you can just simply send her an email. And now we are coming to the most interesting part, which is like will be sharing with us the business opportunity that you have through Balance Oil and the products of Zinzino.
Yes, so that is exciting
That
because
is
that's
pretty exciting.
and that's the opportunity that I got 6 years ago, and it has really been life changing for me. One thing is that this is my passion, so I just want to share this with everyone. But also, we can inspire change in many lives, many people's lives, and that's also income wise. And I used to say that time is the only thing we can't get back, but still we sell it very cheap. So I think it's important that we think about how we're investing our times and what does it create for our future. So if we really think about the things that we would love to do and to create for the future, I think working with Cincino is a very good opportunity because we share something that people want and asks for and that people need. And at the same time, you have the possibility to build up an income where you can own your time and still have a good income. And by doing that, we're quite afraid of talking about money, but I think we should talk about it because you can do so many great things with it. By staying where you are right now, it won't impact as many lives as if you dare to build up something else. I would like to give money to charity. I know there's so many lives I can have impact on. So think about what you would like to do and dare to jump to do it. So now in India and actually in all of the different countries we have opened in, but looking for people to collaborate with that would like to be part of the team sharing our health concept. So first of all, you need to, of course, like the concept. That's the key thing because, but I also want to connect, with good people because that's how we build a team. I want to connect with good people. It could be people that are into health or that would like to improve their leadership skills or that are into business. Then you have a great opportunity. So I want to connect with good people that would like to look more into the business and have a one-to-one conversation to see if that person could be a part of the team to build up something.
So that's brilliant. So if you have visualized a future for yourself as a businesswoman or a businessman, and if you're looking for the right product, and here it is. So Natalie has given us details about the business opportunity they have at Zinzino. And so all you have to do is just look up for Natalie or send me a direct message at one of my social media handles, or you could just leave a comment below and we will get in touch with you and guide you on how you can start this business from anywhere in the world. You can start this from anywhere and you can deal with people all over the world. So I believe it's an exciting opportunity and you should definitely try it.
It is, and I just wanted to add there that um, yes, it's good, but I don't people understand how good this is. If you also
Until you try it, yes.
yeah, if you want to work with something, you want to know that people want what you have. And just like I think people wish that they would have been faster in understanding how big the computers would be, or the iPhone would be, or anything like this, it's the same thing here. Because people want to be healthy. I want to be healthy. You want to be healthy. The people that are listening want to be healthy. And we're looking for ways to take care of ourselves. Test-based nutrition is an upcoming global mega trend, just like trends we have seen before. We have started that one. You haven't seen everything from it yet. So it's a very, very good opportunity to be part of a trend as well. And I think that's exciting.
Yes. And Natalie, I also found something very interesting is that it's not just an opportunity where you become a businesswoman or a businessman. It is also where you have various titles and designations and hierarchy where you could grow. So it's not
Yes.
that you start and you stay there, you have exponential growth.
Yeah, and it's a very fair way of working because it's not about the person that starts first that earns the most. It's all related to the work that you do. And I think that's very fair. And that allows people to succeed no matter what background you have. It's rather about what you're determined to do and what your future visions are. And if you want to be a person that inspire other people, you can definitely be that by just making the choice to start. So this is really something else, and you have all the possibilities to grow. That's what I love. I'm so inspired by the founders of the company that are coaching me as well, and so many people that helps me to grow. And that's what we will do for the people in the team as well. What you can do, it's unlimited if you're willing to grow as a person.
Okay. So that's amazing information on the products if you're looking for something to improve your health, as well as if you're looking for a business opportunity. She's given both the options to you. So, Natalie, it was a pleasure to have you on the show, and I'm sure the audience really loved the information that you shared with us. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you so much for letting me join. It was so good to have this conversation with you, Preeti, as always.
Thank you. So, for the audience, please do like the video and subscribe to our channel, and there are much more information coming in the upcoming days. Thank you.